Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. This is the second lecture of revision series for SEBI Grade A 2020-21. In our second lecture, we are discussing MCQs of role and functions of SEBI. This topic is from the finance subject and this series is very important for your upcoming SEBI Grade A examination. Role and functions of regulatory bodies in financial sector is the part of finance syllabus. It is under financial system. So this topic is very important in your upcoming examination. Questions can be asked from this topic, and today we are discussing the role and functions of SEBI. The first question is, SEBI is which kind of body? The answer is statutory body. It is simple question, but if you don't know the answer, you can get confused during the examination. So you must remember SEBI is a statutory body and it was established in 12th November 1992 under Securities and Exchange Board of India Act 1992. SEBI has two important functions. First, to protect the interest of investors, and another to protect and regulate the securities market. So you must remember these two important functions. Before that, controller and capital issues were regulating the market, but in 1988 government notified SEBI. That time it was not a statutory body, it was a non-statutory body formed after a resolution passed by Government of India. But in 1992 government passed SEBI Act and this body SEBI becomes statutory body. The headquarters of SEBI is in Mumbai and it has some regional offices, and those are in Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Chennai and Delhi. You must remember these locations. It can be asked in your examination. The second question is, which of the following is not the function of SEBI? Mark the word not has been asked. The answer is to support RBI in monetary policy. There are list of functions for SEBI. The first important function is to review the market operations, organizational structure and administrative control of stock exchanges. The second important function is to overlook the registration and regulation of working of market intermediaries such as merchant bankers, portfolio managers, stockbrokers. The third important function is to overlook the registration and regulation of mutual funds, venture capital funds and collective investment scheme. That is very important to protect and regulate the self-regulatory organization, prohibiting fraudulent and unfair trade practices in the securities market. Another important function is prohibition of insider trading, to educate and train the investors, to conduct inspection and inquiries if they have any doubt, conducting research to perform the above mentioned function. So basically SEBI overall educate the customer, it also protect the investors interest, it also regulate different financial instrument and market intermediaries. So these are the important function of SEBI. You must remember all these functions. It can be asked in your examination. Educare 247 has multiple courses for SEBI Grade A examination. We have comprehensive course for SEBI Grade A 2020. We have MCQ course for SEBI Grade A 2020. It is for paper 2. We have crash course for SEBI Grade A. It is for phase 1 and phase 2. Here paper 2 descriptive English and GA of paper 1 is covered. Here only paper 2 is covered. In comprehensive course we have covered the complete syllabus of paper 1, paper 2, descriptive English, everything. So according to your preparation stage, you can join the courses. You can use the coupon code SEBI to get the discount on comprehensive course and crash course. There is no discount on MCQ course because it is already discounted. The third question is, according to SEBI Act 1992, SEBI board consists of how many maximum members? The answer is 9. According to section 4.1 of SEBI Act, it provides the following 9 members can be the part of SEBI board. One will be chairman and it will be nominated by central government. 2 members are from the official of Ministry of Central Government and they have experience in finance and administration of Companies Act 1993. The another important member could be 1 member from the RBI official can be 1 member, and 5 members, 3 shall be the whole time members appointed by central government and Another is part-time member. So these are the overall structure for SEBI board, and that is very important. Maximum 9 member can be there. One will be chairman and another member will be appointed from different body by central government or RBI. The next question is, which of the following power is not vested with SEBI? The answer is power as vested in criminal code. SEBI Act 1992 provides certain power to SEBI for their functioning. Let us see those powers. The first important power is power to inspect books of account. SEBI can investigate the accounts of any public listed company or public company intending to be listed, but there should be some reasonable grounds for those inspection. If SEBI finds that someone is doing unfair trade practices or involved in any insider trading, they can investigate their accounts. The another important power is power as vested in civil code. Criminal code power is not with the SEBI. The civil code power is with the SEBI. The same power has SEBI, which has civil code under Code of Civil Procedure 1908. So that is very important. The another important power with SEBI is power to regulate securities market intermediaries. SEBI has power to regulate the intermediaries for their proper functioning and proper functioning of the market. SEBI can also restrain some person for accessing the market if they are involved in any wrongdoing. SEBI can stop any groups or individuals from accessing the market. The power to investigate is also with the SEBI. If SEBI has reasonable grounds to suggest that any particular transaction are dealt in a manner which are harmful for the investor, it can be investigated by the SEBI. So these are the important power with the SEBI. You must remember, it can be asked in the examination. The next question is, Securities Appellate Tribunal SAT consists of total how many members? The answer is 3. Basically, SAT has been constituted to protect the interest of entities that feel aggrieved by SEBI's decision. So if anyone is not happy with SEBI's decision, they can approach to SAT. So that is very important. This body has a presiding officer and 2 other members, and they have the same power as civil court. So that is also very important. It is also a statutory body like SEBI, and it was established under SEBI Act 1992. It hears any complaint or any disagreement against the SEBI. In 2014, government notified that this very same body will hear complaint or disagreement from the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority under PFRDA Act 2013. So these are the important points related to function of SEBI. So you must remember this important point. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment and subscribe to Educare 247. Thank you and happy learning.